Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 125. It's rotating. It's on Ventura Boulevard and Stainsbury Street here in Sherman Oaks. Alright, another rotating Siren 125. And there is a wire from this power pole going over to the pole, and it actually looks like it's connected at the insulators. So this one might actually work. It looks hooked up. Alright. There you go, Siren 125 rotating here in Sherman Oaks. That might actually work. All right, thanks for watching.